Good morning, children. Let us start the continuity of the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Yesterday I explained what is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory and the geometries of two types, regular and irregular geometry. Regular में only bond pair of electrons are there and irregular में bond pair also there, lone pair also there. Let us start regular geometry. Regular geometry में only bond pair of electrons are there. Only bond pair of electrons are there. Now, it is in the form of the general formula. The first one is AB2. The first one is AB2. What is the meaning of AB2, children? One atom of A reacts with two atoms of B. Or we can also say this molecule is having only two bond pair. Since we are doing the regular geometry, so this molecule is having only two bond pair. Now, the general, I asked you what is the hybridization, geometry and bond angle. By knowing the number of the bond pair, we can predict point number one. It is linear structure, linear shape, linear geometry, bond angle. The way you learn in the lower classes 2 2s are 4, here also linear, bond angle, blindly you can say 180 degrees. Right, children? Third point, sp hybridization. Now here you have to note down one point. If there are two bond pair, the geometry is linear, bond angle is 180 and the hybridization is sp hybridization. Now examples are BeCl2, okay children, BeH2, BeF2, okay clear children, BeCl2, BeH2. Linear, how will you draw the structure of linear molecule? In the center, beryllium is there, followed by two fluorine atoms. Since it is in the form of a straight line, bond angle 180 degrees. Please learn by heart, children. This theory is very, very important for the 2 years, for the class 12th also. Now, beryllium fluoride 180 degrees. If it is 180 degrees, the geometry is linear. If it is linear, sp hybridization. Follow children, this is clear? AB2 molecule. Now let us start. The next molecule is AB3. AB3 meaning 3BP का meaning 3 bond pair. AB3 का meaning 3BP 3 bond pair. Example are BCl3 and BF3 and BH3. Now, if it is 3 bond pair, then the rule is first point, geometry. AB3, what is the meaning of that? 3 bond pair. One atom of A react with the 3 atoms of B. Look at the example BCl3. One atom of boron react with 3 atoms of chlorine. The geometry is trigonal planar. Please note down in your copy, children. I am repeatedly telling it is important for class 11th also, class 12th also. Now, trigonal, the board exam, the class 12, you have B-block elements you have to study, you are going to study. So, board exam, 1 mark question will be asked from the geometry. Now, trigonal planar, if it is trigonal planar, bond angle 120 degrees, and if it is 120, the shape, the hybridization is sp2. What is the meaning of sp2? One s orbital overlap with two orbitals of p. Okay children, now the diagram. In the center, triangle may be boron is there and surrounded by three chlorine atoms. Bond angle 120 degrees. So AB3, 3 bond pair, BCl3, BF3, BH3. Trigonal planar. Bond angle 120. Hybridization sp2. Is it clear children? You followed? Please note down in your copy. Now next AB4. Now, so already you followed what do you mean by AB2, AB3 already we discussed too. AB4. One atom of A react with 4 atoms of B. So since we are doing the regular geometry, there will be here only 4 BP. How many bond pair? 4. Example methane. Then SiCl4. Then CCl4. Okay. Now shape. Tetrahedral. Or you can also call tetrahedral. Are you following children? Tetrahedral. Third point. Bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. 109 degree 28 minutes. Fourth point sp3. Clear children? What are we doing? AB4. 4 bond pair. Example methane. SiCl4, CCl4. The shape is tetrahedral. Bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. Then hybridization is sp3. Now the shape of this molecule children, carbon, H, methane and chlorine. So it is symmetrical structure. Trigonal planar also symmetrical. Tetrahedral structure also symmetrical. Okay children, followed all these three. Now next example. Shall I run the board? Next example, PCl5. AB5 children. AB5, 5 BP. Here what is the meaning of this? One atom of A react with 5 atoms of B. 5 BP. Now number 1. Trigonal shape. Trigonometry. Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Point number 2. 2 bond angles 120 and 90 degrees. Third, sp3d. And repeat children. AB5, 5 BP, geometry trigonal bipyramidal, 120 and 90 degrees, sp3d hybridization. Okay. One atom of A react with 5 atoms of B. Now the shape is trigonal bipyramidal. Now to draw the equatorial triangle. In the center phosphorus is there. 2 chlorine atoms in the form of a pyramid, bipyramidal. Now children, here there are 2 types of bond angles are there. One is 290 degrees. Look at the board here. So this is the 90 degrees. 290 degrees are there. And 3 120 degrees. So 3 are equatorial angles and 2 are axial angles. AXIAL. Clear children? AB5, 5 bond pair, trigonal bipyramidal, 120 and 90 degrees, sp3d hybridization. Now this is the diagram of the AB5 5. Other examples are SbCl 5. What is the meaning of Sb? Antimony pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride.